Greetings! In this presentation, we'll delve into the significance of educating children about science, how to infuse excitement and captivation into scientific learning, and practical methods to integrate science into daily routines. We aspire for this video to assist parents in igniting their children's curiosity to explore the wonders of science. Science is a captivating field that can stimulate inquisitiveness and foster critical thinking in youngsters. By introducing science to children at an early age, we can instill a lifelong passion for learning and exploration. Nevertheless, it's vital to ensure science becomes an enjoyable and approachable experience so that children never feel overwhelmed or disinterested. One way to make science fun is by incorporating hands-on experiments and activities into daily life. For example, you can make homemade volcanoes, create slime, or explore the properties of water. These activities allow children to see the practical applications of science and get excited about the possibilities. Another way to foster a love of science is by encouraging children to ask questions and explore the world around them. You can take your child on nature walks, visit museums or science centers, or simply look up at the stars at night. By fostering a sense of curiosity and wonder, you can help children develop a lifelong passion for science. Equally significant is offering children inspiring role models from the scientific community. This can be achieved by acquainting them with renowned scientists or showcasing the diverse applications of science across various industries. By celebrating the accomplishments of scientists and exemplifying how science profoundly influences our lives, children can witness the practical relevance of science and feel motivated to explore it further. Finally, it's essential to make science a regular part of children's lives. This can be accomplished by incorporating science into everyday activities, such as cooking, gardening, or building. Thank you for watching our video.